Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are starting to prep my Audi for paint the right way this time. Kai went with some body filler for the rust spots on the trunk and sanded it down, and he got it really nice and smooth, and you will not see any imperfections, especially with the plate on there. That is super sick and I'm super excited. Thank you, Kai. I also went and got all the nubs off of the door so that way you won't see those. The trim piece was right here, but since I'm putting skirts on, it wouldn't make sense to have the trim piece over the skirt because it would look kind of stupid. And then over here I took the door off because there's that huge dent in the door, so I have a new door for this side as well, and then did the same thing on this side with the nubs and trim. Kermit was awesome and gave me these skirts off of a Ford Taurus that we are going to try and make work for the Audi. It is almost the exact length. So we just got to find a way to mount those and get those on here. But the car is going to look so much better, just a little bit more body low. And especially not seeing the black rockers that comes from factory. It was one of my biggest pet peeves on the car, just seeing it because it always looks dirty and nasty. But yeah, we're making good headway here and I'm super excited. And after seeing Kai's car, it is going to be so sick having yellow for team, yellow for team, yellow for team, yellow for team. Took a break from some paint prep today to check out a car meet. Over here exploring in a kind of wild all-wheel drive John in the cut. Sick. We're gonna go find John now. This thing we saw at the last meet, it's pretty sick.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering,
what is going on inside their head?
That's a little suspect.
I've been forgetting to text you for the longest time, but my SD card got corrupted.
Oh no!
So
No!
I sold the camera. I'm getting my new one soon.
Damn. So I want to introduce you when they have the time. That's Kai and that's Kermit. They're the ones on the team.
Because my girlfriend hates cars.
Bro, look at that. Look at that.
I don't know.
Ha! Skyline just did a baby pull, and the sheriff decided to pull. A state trooper decided to pull up.
Alright. Fucking weed right there.
They took all homie had, dude. Oh no, look at this guy.
Look at recognize it,
showed
dude.
up.
I was smart.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw you look at me. I was like, oh.
I was wondering whose old ass hands were on my ass, bro. Hell no. Bro comes up, grabs my ass. No warning, no nothing. We got these motherfuckers right here, posted up next to the giant cock. You heard me? You heard me? Posted up next to the giant cock. You heard? Oh, Kermit, you look fun. Yeah, with the stance, Yeah. Yeah.
Just a couple dudes and a big cock, dude.
So escalated since the car meet, but everything is sanded, taped off. Cut the bottom of the fender where the rust was, got that off. The skirt's gonna cover that. Fenders are rolled. And we have been working for so long now. It is currently 5 a.m. And what time did we get here? Get back?
Midnight-ish.
Yeah, like midnight. So we've been grinding for 5 hours straight, just trying to get this done, and man, I'm tired. But that being said, I'm going to continue this tomorrow or today with hopefully spraying the car and getting everything done. I decided jams are going to be sprayed, and we ended up just taking one single piece of plastic, and then I hopped inside the car and then got that section done, and that actually worked really, really well. The main thing is trying to figure out what works best since this is new to us, and we got some things from Kai's car that we didn't want to do and some things we wanted to do when we put it on this car, so that's really nice. It's pretty good for the most part, and I'm pretty stoked to see this thing yellow, but man, it's tiring for sure. It is now the same and next day at the same time.
I like photos.
Do penguins have knees?
Everything's taped off, everything's scuffed down and ready to go. Hanging the mirrors right now, got the side skirts. She gonna be yellow, baby. Car is on its second coat currently. We're about to throw the third one down and then throw the glitter over it. We're gonna try throwing the glitter on wet this time, and I'll get a little video of that. This is after the first coat of clear. Man, it turned out amazing so far. I'm super excited. All right, so it is the next day, and I have been letting this car bake for all night and all day at 75 degrees in here, and everything is nice and dry to the touch. Hood came out pretty good. There's some few spots, but the fender got absolutely. We found out that the gun was spraying way too much pressure, and it let all this clear coat build up and drip, and it looks absolutely terrible. But I'm gonna let this fully cure, and then I'm gonna go and sand everything down, and then if I have to respray just the fender, then I'm gonna have to respray just the fender. But there was also a complication on the quarter panel as well, so we have this issue. This actually leveled out really good. I was very surprised about that. So I'm by no means a body guy, and this is technically my second time painting, so it's not terrible. I mean, everything else came out really, really well. I'm gonna start taking the tape off and then assembling all of the little things back on the car because everything is nice and dry and cured for the most part. Tape's off, and I got some things on, some things I had to wait for. I started putting the mirror on, and it started making a little imperfection in the paint, so I'm gonna wait on that because I'm not sure if the mirror goes over or if it goes all the way up. But I'm super, super happy that I color matched the rear lip with everything on there. It looks super good. Over here months later editing this video finally, and we leave off with a couple things being done in the car. The side skirts that I didn't really tell you about, I ended up flipping them, cutting this edge, and then putting Velcro on the inside of the door jamb. It came out absolutely amazing, and I'm super, super stoked, and I can't thank Kai and the team enough for all helping me get this done. This car has came along a long ways, and I'm super, super excited to be ripping this year, and I have a lot coming with this car. Also wanted to note that I did do some performance modifications that I will be putting in the video sometime soon, kind of going over what we did and finishing this car up. So you're gonna see me jump from me doing this to the car's painted and me finishing it up. But I wanted to wait for that video until the car was finalized As most of you know, I'm trying to get this car done best possible. I have like 4 projects going on right now and a couple of them that you will see coming up. I think I have 3 more projects that are coming up in these videos that I've filmed, and I'm just trying to catch up. I can't show too much of the garage now, being that we have a secret project that is up and coming on the channel in front of me here. But I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching. Come back for the next video and have a great day, baby.